What's up, y'all? First off, I want to apologize to whoever watches this crap that I didn't post last week. I was waiting for something to come in, and it didn't come in time, so I'm doing the video on it now. But I went ahead and bought Dubby, which is like it's a healthy-ish energy drink. It's supposed to not give you any jitters. And I wanted to try it on camera. I've already tried it at work. I drank Dub Sludge, which is Granny Smith apple and secret sauce, whatever the hell that is. But that one was actually delicious. Like, I'll probably end up buying that. But I've got these three, if you can see them. So it's Dragonade, which is dragon fruit and pink strawberry lemonade. And Galaxy Grenade, which is watermelon, guava, and lime explosion. And then Beach and Peach, which is mango white peach cooler. I'm gonna go with the Galaxy Grenade, watermelon, guava, and lime explosion. I feel like I won't really like the lime in it, but just wanted to give you all my real opinion on this stuff, because if I'm going to partner with them and sell this, I want to enjoy it myself. I don't want to try to sell something I don't like. Really don't want to be drinking it right now anyways, but I got to do this video. It's I just got off work, so I really don't want to take an energy drink now, but no jitters. I've already found that out with the first one that I drank. So this is only for 8 ounces, so I only got like that much water, I think. Cool little cup they gave me, or shaker cup. Sorry about the screen shaking. All right. Let me try this. Smells good. You can hear it fizzing. All right, I think it's all done. That one's really good too. I don't taste the lime though. Yeah, I don't taste lime at all, which is good. I was hoping that I wouldn't. It's not that I don't like lime, it's just that I think watermelon and guava is just, that sounds amazing right there on its own. But yeah, it's pretty good. So maybe I will go ahead and partner with them. If you want to get your own, I'll put my, I guess you call it an affiliate link down there, but just really, you just go to their website, dubby.gg, and go to their site and put in the Lion813 for your promo code or whatever the hell it's called, and it'll get you 10% off. And I'm not gonna lie, I'll make 10% also off of that. But I mean, it's cheaper than just buying it outright. But yeah, this stuff's pretty good actually. Like I said, right now, I don't want to be drinking an energy drink. I'm gonna finish it because I don't want it to go to waste. But right now, I'd rather be playing Xbox with a beer in my hand. But yeah, if you guys have tried this already, let me know what you think. I let one of my friends at work try it, and he was picky. I still need to take a shower. He was picky about the aftertaste, which I expected myself to be picky about it because anything that has that fake sugar stuff in it, I can't stand the taste of it. Yeah, I'm not really sure what the fake sugar is in this one. But they got their supplement facts on their website, just so y'all can see. I don't know if that's backwards for y'all or not. It's backwards when I'm looking at the camera, so it's probably going to be. But yeah, it's pretty good. Anyways, what I was saying, my buddy said that he didn't like the aftertaste, and I expected to have that bad aftertaste because, like I said, I'm real critical about that kind of stuff. Like stevia, I can't drink anything with stevia in it, or just it's just disgusting to me. Like that aftertaste kind of makes me feel sick a little bit. But I don't taste anything like that with this stubby stuff. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up buying more of that Granny Smith one, but I got to try the other two first. That Granny Smith, holy shit, that was like a green Jolly Rancher. And when I drank it, I put like 12 ounces, and it called for 8 ounces, so it was a little bit watered down, but it was still delicious. So yeah, I haven't tried the other two flavors, but I'm going to probably tomorrow when I get to work. So, anyways, if you guys try it, let me know what you think. I'll have a good one. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.